So today we're going to take a look at how you can remove duplicate data in Excel. So as you can see here, we have a list of names, and you can see we've got some duplicates at the top and throughout, and we don't want to just go through and remove each row by row because that could just get tedious and you might never catch them all, as we have some repeated names at the bottom, and on a data set like this it's a bit big, we can't visually see it all. It's just going to be easier to use Excel to do this for us. So we're just going to select our column here. So we've now got all these names highlighted. We're just going to click our data tab at the top. Once we're in data tab, we want to click remove duplicates. And we're just going to select the things that we want here. We only have one column, so we're just going to click OK. And as you can see here, it's found 11 duplicate values and removed them, and 100 unique values remain. So if we go back, just press Command C, Control C just to undo that work. You can see they come back, and we just click again. You can see that it removes them. And that's how you can quickly and efficiently remove duplicate data in Excel. I hope you found this useful. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.